Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to cover the how can we on guys dialpad tune in our Samsung phone. And you want to on guys your dialpad tune settings, so friend, how can you on and friend, how can you use your dialpad tune setting in your Samsung phone? In this video friends, I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. So friends, now let's see how to on dialpad tune means in your Samsung phone. Open your phone setting. Then scroll it, friends. You can see your sound and vibration setting, friends. Tap here. Friends, scroll again. Friends, you can see your system sound and vibration control setting. Guys, tap here. So friends, you can see your sound setting and guys vibration setting. So friends, you can see guys your dialing keypad means your dial pad tone. So friends, you want to on guys, you can on from this right side. Guys, we will on it when how to use. Friends, now let's see. Friends, open your dial pad setting and friends, you can see if we enter a number. Friends, you can use this dial pad sound. So like that guys, you can on your dial pad tone in your Samsung phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.